let's train a sequence that I call the first Earth freedom. So Earth being same time, same direction. So in the first Earth freedom, we learn to connect spinning forwards same time, Earth forwards to Earth backwards. Okay, we're going to do it in the simplest way, which is if I want to turn to my right, I cross both poi to my right and I turn. If I want to turn to my left, I cross both poi to my left and I turn. So I need to cross the poi so that it passes by my feet. If I'm going forwards, I cross down past my feet. Cross down past my feet and I turn, and now I'm going up and backwards. So it's down past the feet, up and backwards. Now I'm spinning backwards. And turn back, I do it on the upswing. So I go up, down and forwards. Forwards, down, up and backwards. Up and down and forwards. Swinging it down, up and backwards. So whenever I turn, the poi have changed direction in relation to me. They're still going the same way, just in relation to me. They seem to be turning the other direction. So forwards, down, up and backwards. Backwards, I go up, down and forwards. Forwards, down, up and backwards. Make sure that you cross the poi to the side you want to turn on. So I want to turn to my left, I have to bring both poi over here. Make sure you don't leave one poi behind. They both come to the front and then they go down to forwards. Same thing, as I'm coming down, I want to bring them back onto one on either side of the body. So same thing, I bring them both to one side and then I bring them up and backwards, one on either side of the body. They both go to the front. One comes to my left, one comes to my right. So forwards, down, up and backwards, backwards, up, down and forwards. Make sure you can do it both ways. Turning the other way, cross it, up and backwards. Turn back, cross, up and down and forwards. Forwards, I'm going to cross it and go down. And then continue to go up and backwards. Backwards, I cross on the upswing. And on the downswing, I get to my final position. Up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. So I want to train this so that I can turn each direction. I want to be able to turn all 4 quarters, from forwards to backwards, backwards to forwards, forwards to backwards. Once I have this in both directions, then I start to be free to start to play. So this is the first Earth freedom. We can change from one side to the other side, from one side to the other side. We can start to put combinations together with it, whichever way that is. Oh, not that one. That's not. You're not ready for that yet. That's advanced. One side to the other side. The positioning of my body inside of it, that I can change my body position, but still do the same movement. So once I have that movement, I can be quite free to play with the body. So that is the first Earth freedom. Train it both directions. Make sure you have all the pieces. Find where the weaknesses are. Focus on the weaknesses. Spend time with them. Make the weak link stronger. The whole chain gets stronger. Enjoy your practice.